How's it going today? Jeff here with WB Tool News, and today we are going to take you through a retensioning of our RailEasy cable railing system that we installed just a few short months ago. So if you're a follower of our channel, you probably saw the wonderful install video that we did of the Atlantis Rail RailEasy system behind me here. A couple months have passed and the cable is starting to get a little saggy. According to the manufacturer, this is totally common and something that you can expect with pretty much any cable rail system. So this video is going to be good for you whether you are retensioning your Atlantis Rail cable rail system or any system you have in place. As you can see here behind me, there is a substantial amount of settling that has taken place. There's a good amount of slack in here, and not only for the aesthetic, but for the safety and function of this railing system, it is very important that we go ahead and retension this. Now, the RailEasy system is incredibly easy to retension, and I'm gonna walk you through just how to do that. Now, to retension the RailEasy setup, you just need 3 wrenches, a 3/8, a 7/16, and a 5/16. Now, before we get started, I wanna give one quick note. We're gonna want to start from the center row of cable, and the reason for that is that we want to apply even tension throughout the post. So we're going to start at the center, move above, below, until we finish all of the tensioning. The first step here is going to be to loosen this lock nut. So I'm going to go ahead and take my 5/16 and 7/16 wrenches, go ahead and hold onto the stud post there and give that a little loosen. We can finger thread this thing open because you're going to need those threads exposed, and that's going to be what will allow you to actually tension the cable. From there, I'm going to trade my 7/16 wrench for a 3/8. I'm going to again grab onto the stud post and then grab just below the cone, and I'm going to use the 5/16 wrench to tighten up that cable. And it's just going to take a few turns, and a little actually goes quite a long way here. And just like that, we're looking pretty good. We'll go ahead and finger thread that lock nut back into place, grab our 2 wrenches, and just like that, we are ready to go. Now I'm going to continue following that pattern until all the cables are tensioned. All right, so 8 to 10 minutes later, we are done. We have all of our rows of cable tensioned. We're looking good, we're feeling good, and we are ready for deck season. But you know what? We want to hear from you. Do you have a cable rail system similar to this one? Was it as easy to retension as this one? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep working, and we'll catch you on the next video.